about over, and you might have some little brown spots that remain on your body. That's sun damage. I've got it. Many of us do. We've got some great at-home ways to treat them. Cosmetic chemist Elina Fedotova is here from Elina Organics. And what I love about this, Elina, is that you can do this stuff at home. Not expensive either, right?
Not expensive, and I prefer organic fruits and vegetables. But in the end of the summer, we're not seeing those discolorations, and some people call them age spots. Some people call them liver spots, but ultimately they are results of excessive exposure on the sun.
And you know if you have them, they're little brown spots,
those
often
brown
in the spots that the sun hits.
On the face, yes. And today I would like to remind you, all of these bright colored fruits and vegetables can not only extend your time on the sun safely because they're improving your immune system and your skin, but also can restore your skin from inside on cellular level.
And these look very reasonable. They're fruits and vegetables. Tell us what you do with them, Elina.
You need to eat them because they're a source of antioxidants. Yes, antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamin C, and apply them topically. You can just simply rub topically on your spots, papaya or pineapple every day because they are a source of wonderful fruit enzymes. Vitamin C and potato, source of kiwi and potato, source of vitamin C. Almonds are rich in mandelic acid, which is already clinically proven to reduce discolorations. And today I would like to show you a simple mask, what you can do at home.
So this is an at-home mask that you can make.
You can make taking equal proportions of almonds, tropical fruits, potatoes, with a little bit of water, because potatoes are very, very good for lightening discolorations. And honey. Honey, it's known remedy for skin. And we're just blending it very quickly. And I'm not going to blend it all the way, but you can see that you can blend it for a minute. And that would be your mask.
It looks like a little oatmeal mixture.
Yes.
Here.
Would you like to try it? It's just really pleasant. It's not that messy. And you can rub it on your arm, on you in a larger area, or on your face. It's really will rejuvenate your face and make it smoother. And after rubbing it, applying it for 5 minutes, 5 minutes, you just rinse it off or wipe it off, and you will notice results really like immediately, because it will exfoliate you, brighten you immediately. But if you use it for 2 weeks straight, you will see obvious reduction of discolorations. And I would suggest you not to do it every day like this. You can just freeze that mask in those ice cube tray.
Oh, I see.
And
defrost them when you're ready?
You don't need to defrost it. You just keep them like cubes, and you can apply it cold in the beginning and reduce the puffiness on your face, and then it will slightly melt and you apply it as a mask. It will take you like 5 minutes in the morning or in the afternoon, and it's delicious and smells so good. Don't you think?
Elina, you know what you're talking about. I'm staring at your skin. It's like beautiful, translucent. It's just gorgeous.
Thank you very much. You're gorgeous.
Thank you very much. And this is just 2 weeks, something you can make at home. How about that? Elina, thank you, from Elina Organics. Let's head over to Dawn now. Hey, Dawn.